We're going to clean the carburetor jets on a Honda lawnmower. Remove the air filter. Remove these three 10mm bolts. With the bolts removed, remove the carburetor. Have a hold of the carburetor. There's a valve to shut off the fuel. Remove the fuel. We'll need to remove a spring and a linkage. Unlatch it. Clean the outside of the carburetor. Soak it in some diesel fuel. At the bottom of the bowl, we'll take this bolt off. The bolt's off. We'll remove the bowl. It'll just snap off. It's pretty dirty in there. The pin on the float. Then remove the float. The jet is inside this tube. The jet's removed by using a screwdriver. Make sure you find one that fits or grind one down till it does fit. These are made out of brass, so they're real easy to strip out. If you hold it up to a light, you can see a pinhole of light. Inside the carb, you'll see this brass tube. Push it down. Often fall all the way out. The holes on this jet tube are pretty dirty. A piece of guitar string will clean these holes out. A bread tie will be able to clean out the ones on the bottom, but not the ones at the top. There's one more jet underneath this bolt here. Remove the screw and the jet's at the bottom. Take a wire and clean it out. The guitar string is thin enough. Spray into these two holes and watch for it to come out the other side. You can see it come up the pilot jet. The second jet comes out the bottom. Now that we've verified everything is clean, we'll put everything back together. We'll clean the needle valve seat with a Q-tip. Pull the little debris off of it. Inspect to make sure the needle valve looks good. Place the needle valve into the float. Place the needle valve in and the float. Slide in the pin. Put the screw in to cover the pilot jet. Reinsert the bowl. Place the bolt in. All the jets are clean, ready to put back on the mower.